Hello and welcome to this presentation. I will be taking you through how to easily run an online election using KweliVote. Step 1. Visit the KweliVote website at www.kwelivote.com. Once on the website, sign in to your account. You can create an account if you don't already have one, or you can just sign in. Come to this elections page where you can create a new election. You will start by filling in the basics of your election, which is the name, description, a logo, and the start and end date and time. You can also configure whether or not you want to show live results as the election is going on. Next, add the positions your organization is running elections for. If you are voting on resolutions or agendas, you can add the resolution here and then add the options in the next step. For each position, add the candidates who are running. For resolutions, you can add the options here. Before publishing the election, you can review all the election settings here, and you also have the option to choose a plan for your election depending on your needs. You also have the option to save it as draft and come back to it later. For now, we will just publish this election. Once published, the election positions and candidates can no longer be modified. This is to protect the integrity of the election. Once we navigate into a particular election, we're able to see the election details as well as the voter management. Here, we'll be able to add the voters for this particular election. We add the voters one per line as per the example shown in the text area. Each voter is assigned a unique and secure voting token. This token is what links them to the ballot, and it is stored as a one-way hash so that nobody can reverse engineer it. This adds an extra level of security and prevents any form of fraud. You can add voters anytime before the election starts. Once voting begins, the voter list is locked. Before sending out the emails, you can preview the email that the voters will receive. Each voter receives their unique voting link, and we begin tracking the status of the email delivery. Pending means that the email has not yet been sent. Sent means that the email has successfully been sent out from our end. Complained means that the email has been delivered, but the recipient has marked it as spam. Delivered confirms that the email is successfully in the voter's inbox. Everything looks good. Delivery delayed means that the email could not be delivered due to a temporary issue, such as the recipient's email is full or there is a transient issue. Bounced means that the recipient's email server permanently rejected the email. Something went wrong. Failed means that the email failed to send due to an error, such as an invalid receipt or other sending failure. Something went wrong. We also try and validate the emails from our end, and you will be notified in case you enter an invalid email, so that you can address this early on before the election even starts. From the settings page, you can add an observer by their email and assign them a role. Observers have read-only access to election data, and they cannot take any action in the election. Admins can help manage the election. They can add voters, send emails, start and end the election. This is how the email a voter receives looks like. Once they click on the Cast Your Vote button, they are able to see a page with these details. This is what a voter sees when they click the link before the election starts. This is what a voter sees in case they have an invalid or expired link. Once you are ready as an admin, you can start the election. As the admin, you will be able to see the vote count in real time. If you enable live results, you'll also be able to navigate to the live results page and see the live tally. This is what a voter sees once the election has started. They are able to vote on a particular candidate one at a time. This is what a voter then sees once they are done voting. The vote tally is updated in real time on the admin dashboard. In case the admin is presenting this on an online meeting, they also have the ability to toggle presentation mode. Here, you can see the election details, including voter turnout, number of votes cast, as well as the time the election has been running. It's important to remember that votes are stored completely anonymously. There is nothing that is attached to a particular vote that can be linked to a particular voter. The system only tracks that a voter has voted, but never how. If you navigate back to the main elections page and go to the voter management section, you will be able to see the voters who have actually voted and those who are yet to vote. Once everyone has voted and time is up, you can end the election. You will then be able to see the results page with the results of all the votes and the candidates that have won each position. You can also download a PDF report of the same, and this is easily shared to everyone. Finally, you can view the audit report, which shows you every action taken during the election and the person who performed that action. If a dispute arises, the audit log provides an objective, tamper-proof record of exactly what happened and when. Congratulations! With this, you have successfully run an online election using KweliVote. Once your election is concluded and the results have been shared, you can safely archive the election and come back to it if need be.